Welcome, here I've got Umidigi X and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the grid line option. By using this button from the right, we can turn on the grid lines and turn them off as we need. For now, let me keep this turned on. When we go back to the camera now, we can see these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I move here to the left to this button, so we get straight access to the gallery, we can see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need them, we can tap to the right corner once again and use this button to turn them off. So for now, in the preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.